We've sold over 500,000 ice buckets. Here's why. Handle series, 12 sizes, 410 stainless, silver gold or rose gold, one-piece handle. Construction no welds to break. Double ear series, 12 sizes, 410 stainless, silver or gold, wide sturdy ears stable carry even when full. Storage bucket series, 4.6 and 9-piece sets, 201 stainless, silver finish, stack and store takes up minimal space. Finish options, silver gold rose gold and so on. Electroplated surface, consistent color across every piece. Contact us for catalog and good price. HUFA Stainless Steel Factory has a long glorious history, dated back to 1994. Here is our number 1 workshop. This is number 2. This is number 3. And here is our mold workshop. HUFA Factory takes independent research and design, marketing and quality inspection as the core. Occupied with an area of 9,800 square meters, it is equipped with over 50 large tonnage, hydraulic presses and automated CNC punch. Products with about 100 series, it can produce over 600 kinds of.
Welcome to HUFA Factory.